From the air, the canvas of Zanzibar unfolds, a tapestry woven with threads of shimmering turquoise waters and brilliant white sands. But to truly know this island, one must venture beyond the idyllic beaches, for Zanzibar holds within its heart a story far richer and more intricate than meets the eye. This is an island steeped in history, where the echoes of ancient trade winds still whisper through the bustling alleyways of Stone Town. Join me, dear viewer, as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of Zanzibar, to delve into its vibrant culture, and to experience the thrill of adventure that awaits in this island paradise. Our exploration begins in Stone Town, the historical heart of Zanzibar. Here, time seems to move at a different pace, measured by the rhythmic calls to prayer echoing from ancient mosques and the gentle sway of dhows returning from a day's fishing. The narrow, winding streets, a labyrinthine network born from centuries of trade and cultural exchange, are alive with the sights, sounds, and scents of daily life. The air, thick with the aroma of cloves and other exotic spices, carries the cheerful banter of vendors hawking their wares in the bustling markets. The intricate carvings adorning doorways, the grand balconies overlooking the bustling streets, each tells a story of the island's rich and often tumultuous history. Leaving the urban bustle behind, we venture into the emerald embrace of Jozani Forest, a sanctuary of tranquility and a testament to the island's biodiversity. Here, amidst the dappled sunlight filtering through the dense canopy, lives a creature found nowhere else on Earth, the endangered red colobus monkey. These striking primates, with their auburn coats and gentle nature, move through the trees with an almost balletic grace, their calls echoing through the forest as they navigate the branches with effortless ease. The Jozani Forest is a symphony of life, a chorus of birdsong, the rustling of leaves as small creatures scurry through the undergrowth, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature that thrives within its depths. Our journey takes us next to Prison Island, a place where history and nature intertwine to paint a picture of unexpected serenity. Despite its name, the island is far from a place of confinement. It is in fact a sanctuary, most notably for a population of giant tortoises. These gentle giants, some over a century old, roam freely, their ancient shells bearing the marks of time. The island's turquoise waters, home to vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, beckon explorers to discover the hidden wonders beneath the surface. Zanzibar's allure extends beyond its shores, inviting us to explore the underwater realm that fringes its coastline. Donning our snorkeling gear, we slip beneath the waves, entering a world of breathtaking beauty and vibrant life. Coral reefs, bursting with color, create an intricate underwater city, home to a dazzling array of marine life. Schools of fish, painted in every hue imaginable, dart in and out of the coral, while graceful rays glide effortlessly through the crystal-clear waters. No journey to Zanzibar would be complete without experiencing the intoxicating aromas and vibrant colors of its spice farms. Here, amidst a symphony of scents, we witness the source of the island's nickname, Spice Island. Cinnamon bark, still warm from the sun, releases its sweet and spicy fragrance, while cloves, freshly picked from the tree, fill the air with their pungent aroma. As we wander through the spice plantations, our senses are overwhelmed by the sheer variety of flavors and fragrances, a testament to the island's fertile land and its people's deep connection to the earth. Zanzibar, with its intoxicating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, leaves an indelible mark on the soul. If you're a travel and adventure enthusiast, this island paradise is waiting for you to uncover its treasures. The best time to experience Zanzibar's magic is during the dry seasons, from June to October or December to February. Be sure to pack light clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a sense of adventure. Zanzibar is calling, promising an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. So heed the call and embark on an adventure that will ignite your senses and create memories to last a lifetime.